villagers who have taken loan, whether they are ready to accept our scheme, then we will include.
We must include.
Otherwise, we will not include their names. We will ask whether they are willing for the plastering and repair. Yeah. We will take their opinion.
We must take their opinion.
Once we decide to take up this village, then we will make the detailed survey. That time we will arrange 2-3 meetings here, and we will get the exact what their needs are. Whether they want, they will be able to repay their loan, then we will forget about it. If they are not able to repay, then we will include it in our scheme.
We must include it.
Yeah,
We must include. But I must know. We must know, because if all of them are extremely poor people, they will not be able to pay their loans in a proper manner. So I think they must be included in the scheme, but they must be positive and willing to adopt the scheme.
That we will take into confidence all of them, and then we will decide. We will let you know after that.
But as a principle, I want they should be included. If they are positive, they must be included.
So, Mr. Paulson, I think you are clear now that about those who have taken the loan. Mr. Nene clear everything.
Yeah, it's clear. It's a good principle.
गावात निघाली परवडीच्या धन्यामी जाते शाळेमध्ये निघाली परवडीच्या धन्यामी जाते शाळेमध्ये आओ गर्दन्या रावलो मी अडाणी मला शाळेत पाठ आओ गर्दन्या रावलो अडाणी मला शाळेत पाठ शाळेत पाठवानी मला लिहायची कळवा 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 आओ गर्दन्या रावलो मी अडाणी मला शाळेत पाठवा आओ गर्दन्या राहिलो मी अडाणी मला शाळेत पाठवा मी शाळेत पाठवानी मला वाचाया शिकवा शाळेत पाठवानी मला लिहाया शिकवा मी शाळेत पाठवानी मला वाचाया शिकवा शाळेत पाठवानी मला नी पिशवी घेऊन जेलू बाजारी अडाणी म्हणून परत आली पिशवी घेऊन जेलू बाजारी अडाणी म्हणून परत आली नी पिशवी घेऊन गेलू बाजारी अडाणी म्हणून परत आली पिशवी घेऊन गेलू बाजारी अडाणी म्हणून परत आली अहो गर्दनी रावलो मी अडाणी मला शाळेत शिकवा अहो गर्दनी रावलो मी अडाणी मला शाळेत पाठवा नी शाळेत पाठवानी मला लिहाया शिकवा शाळेत पाठवानी मला लिहाया शिकवा नी शाळेत पाठवानी मला लिहाया शिकवा शाळेत पाठवानी मला लिहाया शिकवा नी सई बगार मी नाणार नाही कागदावर आपटा टेकायचू नाही सई बगार मी राहणार नाही आपटा टेकायचू नाही नी सई बगार मी राहणार नाही कागदावर आपटा टेकायचू नाही सई बगार मी राहणार नाही कागदावर आपटा टेकायचू नाही आओ गर्दनी रावलो मी अडाणी मला शाळेत पाठवा 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 नी शाळेत पाठवानी मला लिहाई शिकवा शाळेत पाठवानी मला लिहाया शिकवा नी शाळेत पाठवानी मला
A song sung by the sponsored children from Dhaura. The meaning of the song is the woman, illiterate woman, is asking her husband a permission to go to the school.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nene, and thank you all the children.
Okay. So we have to chalo.
याच्यात घे ना त्या कॅमेऱ्यात घे.
थांबून घेतो तिला. एक मिनिट परत हात लावा.
फक्त हात लाव हाराला.
आता मिळाले तर रिन्यू करूया पुढच्या वेळेला ठीक आहे.
Okay, Mr. Apte, what you are saying right now to all these
I
girls?
was telling the sponsor children that instead of trying to tell your husband after marriage that put me in school, try to tell your parents that I should be educated before I go to get married.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. It was a very nice song. Thanks a lot.
Now you will see all the peoples, the children, sponsored children of Dhaural village are coming here to say goodbye to Mr. Paulson and to all our officers of caste. So Mr. Paulson, will you say something?
Ja, her har vi en nydelig liten pike. En nydelig liten fjernadoptert pike i denne landsbyen som vi vurderer for 2001. Ja. Okay, bye bye. Where is the bag with the small gifts?
Now you will see the community hall of Virani village. We are in the Virani village on 22nd of March at about 6:30. And here you will see all the ladies of the Virani village are coming gathered together for a small functions.
Take your seat and ask what you want. From the very beginning, before we selected Virani, she had a lot of guts. She came forward for the first time. She was talking to you.
Because she is leader of our
Yeah, she's a leader of the group. Yeah, she's very talkative. She has a lot of strength. Yeah. It's so nice to meet you again, all you wonderful girls and women of Virani. You are wearing ornaments, beautifully dressed, so all my compliments to you. Sorry for being very late to your wonderful village, but there was a lot of other programs today, so sorry.
ते म्हणतात की गेल्या वेळी पण ते आले होते ना तुमची घरं वगैरे सगळं बघायला. ते म्हणतात की आता मी पुन्हा एकदा तुमच्या गावामध्ये आलो आणि तुम्ही सगळ्याजणी छान नवीन नवीन कपडे घालून भरपूर दागिने वगैरे घालून माझ्या स्वागतासाठी आलात. म्हणून मला खूप आनंद झाला की तुम्ही सगळ्या एवढ्या संख्येने एकत्र आलात बायका नटून थटून. आणि दुसरं म्हणजे हे खूप सुंदर गाव आहे तुमचं आणि त्या गावाला यायला मला थोडा उशीर झाला त्याबद्दल मी म्हणजे त्यांनी तुमची क्षमा मागितली उशीर झाल्याबद्दल. कारण त्यांना दुपारपासून यायचं होतं पण इतर खूप कामं होती त्यामुळे उशीर झाला म्हणून ते क्षमा मागतात तुमची.
I know very well that all of you are extremely happy for your new houses. I mean, you have got a new life, all of you. I can see in your faces, in your happy faces. But what I really want to know is, through your diaries, how you really are really feeling. I want a couple of individual diaries. That means you should put your words into a book. See? They should receive some assistance from some of the elder children who are able to read and write. They should receive some assistance because I really want a diary. Yeah, from 2-3 women. I also want diaries from the youth. Is it possible? If they get some help, they put it into the book. And we need such diaries. That means their own words. And sometimes you can help.
about their happiness and
Yeah, and in this diary, they should write about their previous life situation, how they were living previously, and how they were benefiting in the construction work. They should tell about how all the villagers were participating in the rehabilitation process. And they should tell about education for the children, the offer we have been giving them, what they feel about their life in total, what they feel about the principle of giving the houses for the women. But I also need in the diary a sort of my history from early morning to late night. Yeah, from early morning to late night. During maybe 1 week, what am I doing? What kind of problems do I face during my day, my ordinary day? Yeah, so you should select maybe 3 women who should, I know that some very few women, they can read some words.
Okay, Mrs. Rima.
What kind? Yeah, this should not be a sort of a sunlight story. Not just because they have received the new houses, sanitary blocks, everything. But how is it to be a woman today? How was it to be a woman in the previous village? But also about their daily activities. They should start to note or think in their head what to say to the girl or boy who will help them to write. All the different activities they are doing during 1 week maybe. Yeah.
ते काय म्हणतात की तुम्ही आता तुमची मुलं म्हणजे आता तुम्ही कोणी शिकला नाहीयेत, मला पूर्ण कल्पना आहे कारण एवढी वर्ष इथे शाळाच नव्हती, त्यामुळे तुमच्या एवढ्या म्हणजे आता सुद्धा अगदी नवीन ज्या लग्न झालेल्या त्या मुली कोणीही शिकलेल्या नाहीयेत, परंतु आता तुमच्या मुलांना म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळायला लागलंय की शिक्षण किती महत्त्वाचं आहे, त्यामुळे तुम्ही तुमच्या मुलांना व्यवस्थित शाळेत पाठवताय. आपल्या विराणीच्या शाळेमध्ये, कासमाच्या शाळेमध्ये, त्यामुळे सगळी आता मुलं व्यवस्थित शिकायला लागल्यात. तर त्या शाळेत जाणाऱ्या मुलांपैकी जी तुमची स्वतःची मुलं मोठी मुलं आहेत तर त्यांना 3 कुटुंब हवी आहेत, प्रत्येक गावातलं एक असं. ते मी तुम्हाला निवडून देईन कोणते, पण त्यांनी म्हणजे आता समजा आपण उदाहरण घेऊ की कोटबीची हिला घेतली, बामीला घेतली, तर बामीची मुलगी धर्मी ती शाळेत जातीये, तर तिने धर्मीला सांगायचं की तिला काय वाटलं म्हणजे सकाळी उजाडल्यापासून रात्री झोपेपर्यंत ती जे काय काम करते किंवा जे काय आयुष्य तुम्ही जगता इथे, तर ते तुम्हाला काहीतरी वाटत असेल की केव्हा तरी तुमचा नवरा मारत असेल तर तुम्हाला दुःख होत असेल, कधीतरी तुमचं मूल पडत असेल म्हणून तुम्हाला वाईट वाटत असेल, तर जे काही तुम्हाला वाटत असेल ते तुम्ही त्या मुलीला सांगायचं, तुम्हाला लिहिता येत नाही म्हणून, आणि त्या मुलीने ते वहीमध्ये लिहून ठेवायचं. म्हणजे तुमची मुलगी शिकलेली आहे, तुमचा मुलगा शिकलेला आहे, त्या मुलाच्या माध्यमातून किंवा मुलीच्या माध्यमातून तुम्हाला जे काही म्हणायचंय ते तुम्ही त्या वहीमध्ये थोडक्यात लिहून ठेवायचं. अगदी एखादं वाक्य किंवा 2 ओळी लिहिल्या तरी चालेल. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला आधी झोपड्यांमध्ये राहत होता, सगळ्यांच्या तुमच्या झोपड्या होत्या, घरामध्ये पाणी गळायचं, अतिशय वाईट अवस्थेत तुम्ही दिवस काढलेले आहेत, तर तेव्हा तुमचं आयुष्य कसं होतं म्हणजे तुम्ही ते गळत्यामध्ये कसं राहायचं. त्याच्यानंतर आता तुमची घरं बांधून मिळाली, तर ह्या काकांनी ती मदत केलेली आहे, ह्यांच्यामुळे तुम्हाला घरं बांधून मिळाली, तर तुम्हाला त्यांच्याबद्दल काय वाटतं, आता नवीन घरात राहता त्याच्याबद्दल काय वाटतं, हे थोडक्यामध्ये लिहायचंय. तुम्ही लिहायचं म्हणजे तुम्ही तुमच्या मुलांना सांगायचं की पहिले तुम्ही राहत होता तर तुम्हाला काय वाटायचं, तेव्हा काय त्रास तुम्हाला व्हायचा, आणि आता तुम्ही नवीन घरांमध्ये चांगल्या विटामातीच्या घरात राहतात तर तुम्हाला काय कसा आनंद होतो, तुम्हाला काय वाटतं, हे तुमच्या भाषेमध्ये जसं तुम्ही रोज एकमेकांशी बोलत असता तसं ते तुमच्या मुलाला सांगा, मुलीला सांगा जी शिकलेली असेल तिला, आणि 1-2 वेळेमध्ये ते लिहून ठेवायचंय आणि ते त्या वह्या बघायला पाहिजे. म्हणजे त्यांना त्या वह्या हव्यात, प्रत्येकीने करा असं नाही. मी तुम्हाला तिघींची नावं देईन तिन्ही ह्याच्यातून. प्रत्येक आता हवं तर आता सुद्धा सांगते तुमच्या गावामध्ये मामी करेल, कारण मामीची पोरगी नक्की शाळेत व्यवस्थित जाते, धर्मी चांगली शिकते. त्याच्यानंतर इथे परशाची बायको करू शकेल ना, का नाही करणार? रजिस्टर जेवण करायला असतं तर तेव्हा
1.5 meter maximum.
चुकला तर जे काय त्याला येईल त्याच्यापेक्षा
Hello, Vilas.
तुम्ही तिघी जणी लिहाल ना.
Rima, just now you have given some explanation, or you informed them
I have
what
just translated Mr. Paulson's
Mr. Paulson
speech. Mr. Paulson's
Speech.
guidance.
guidelines. What the guidelines he has given?
Yeah,
What he
and-
expected from
and
this
from-
Virani woman?
From this Virani group, that is a women's group, 3 ladies have committed me that they are ready to write down the diaries, everyday diary, with the help of their children.
And who are the ladies you have selected?
Yeah, she is Bami. तुम्ही हात वर करा तिघी जणी.
Yes, Bami
They have
is
raised
there.
their hand.
And second
Those
one
three-
is
Those 3 ladies are red. ही सरपंच काय तुमचं नाव?
माझं नाव
आंबी.
Ambi.
मिसेस
Yeah.
आंबे. आणि तुमचं नाव काय? जाकी. मिसेस जाकी.
Mrs. Zaki. Okay.
Okay, I'm looking really forward to receive your diaries, and these diaries will be printed in the CFN magazine, and I also hope it will be printed in the CASP newsletter. One of them.
One of them.
should-
One of them.
Yeah, but then I hope that you will, when you are sending the article to the CASP newsletter, you should include a photo of the village before the rehabilitation and after.
After.
And one group picture of the women,
Yes.
and one picture of the woman who has given the diary. This is important.
Yes.
Yeah, because then the editor of the CASP newsletter, Dr. Gokle, will accept.
Okay.
Yeah. So the village before and the village after. I really feel that all you women, you are with us in the coming development in the village of Virani. Because it is not enough to give you houses, to give you sanitary blocks, to give you water supply schemes, all this infrastructural aid. Now you have to help us in participating in the committees, to help us in establishing a good family planning scheme, because from now or from next year we will put into a third system family planning, health, education, the need of daycare centers, the need of nutrition, better health service for all these tribal villages, in which Virani will be one of them. We need your participation for guiding the youth, guiding the children. We need your participation in the women's groups, and it will be so important for other tribal backward villages that your work is the best one. Because if you are doing a good work within community development, family planning, education, all these things, it will mean a lot for motivating the Norwegian government. If the Norwegian government are getting motivated just because of you and your dedication, it will be easier for me to get funds for other backward tribal villages.
त्यांनी काय सांगितलं की आता तुम्हाला घरं दिले, तर घरं बांधून मिळाल्यानंतर म्हणजे हा तुमचा फायदा झालेला आहे, तर हे तुम्हाला मिळालं म्हणजे इथेच संपलं असं नाही. जसं आता तुम्हाला घर मिळालं म्हणून का तुम्हाला रोजच्या रोज खायला मिळतंय का आपोआप, तुम्हाला कष्ट करावेच लागतात की नाही खाण्यासाठी, तसंच आता ह्याच्या पुढचं आहे की घर मिळालं तर ते घर स्वच्छ ठेवलं पाहिजे. तुमची स्वतःची घरं आहेत तर ती कशी स्वच्छ ठेवता येतील, संडास बाथरूम तुम्हाला बांधून दिल्यात त्याचा चांगला वापर करायला पाहिजे, ते स्वच्छ ठेवलं पाहिजे. आपल्या मुलांना शिकवलं पाहिजे की हे घर आपलं आहे, आपलं संडास बाथरूम आहे तर ते स्वच्छ ठेवायला पाहिजे. आपल्या घरासमोरचा अंगणाचा भाग तोही झाडून रोजच्या रोज सकाळ संध्याकाळ झाडून स्वच्छ ठेवला पाहिजे. तर ह्याच्यासाठी आता तुमच्या सगळ्या बायकांची, कारण ही कामं मुख्य बायकांची आहेत, हे काय कोणी पुरुष माणसं तुमच्याकडची करायला येणार नाहीत, म्हणून तुमची त्यांना मदतीची गरज आहे. म्हणून ते तुम्हाला विनंती करतायत की तुमचा सगळा आजूबाजूचा परिसर, तुमचं घर, संडास बाथरूम, तुमचे अंगण हे सगळं तुम्ही स्वच्छ ठेवा. ह्याच्या जोडीने आणखीन त्यांना हवं आहे की तुमची मुलं व्यवस्थित शिकली पाहिजे. मुलाला घरात ठेवू नका किंवा तुमच्या घराची काही कामं असतील की बकऱ्या सोडल्यात, गुरं सोडल्यात तर त्याच्या मागे तर तुम्ही मुलांना पाठवू नका. वेळात वेळ काढून ही कामं तुम्ही करा, पण मुलाला शाळेतच गेलं पाहिजे आणि मूल चांगलं शिकलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे ते तुमच्यासारखं अशिक्षित राहून मागे असलेलं राहणार नाही. आज तुमची परिस्थिती काय होते, तुम्हाला कोणी व्यवहारात फसवलं तरी तुम्हाला कळत नाही. कोणी 10 रुपये झालेले असले की 8 रुपये हातावर टेकवले तरी तुम्हाला कळत नाही. पण हे निदान तुमच्या मुलांच्या वाट्याला नाही यायला पाहिजे. म्हणून तुम्ही मुलांना शिकवा. म्हणजे मुलं हिशेब करायला लागतील. मुलं बाहेर सगळं लिहायला वाचायला शिकले की मुलांना बाहेरचंही जगातलं ज्ञान येईल. मुलांना शिकवलं पाहिजे ही त्यांची कळकळीची विनंती आहे. त्याच्याबरोबरचा दुसरा भाग आहे तो म्हणजे मुलांचं आरोग्य. तुम्ही मुलं इकडे तिकडे खेळतात, मातीमध्ये धुळीमध्ये तसेच येतात, खायला दे म्हणतात, तुम्ही आपल्या हातात पटकन वाढून देता आणि खायला सुरुवात करतात. पण त्या धुळीमध्ये खूप कचरा, घाण सगळं काही असतं आणि ते खाताना पोटामध्ये जातं. ते पोटात गेल्यामुळे मूल आजारी पडतं. तर ते पाणी शक्यतो तुम्ही आता सगळेजण, आता चांगली पाण्याची सोय झाली आहे पण यापूर्वी सगळेजण एकाच विहिरीमधून पाणी आणत होतात, तर तेही स्वच्छ गाळून आणि उकळून प्यायला पाहिजे. म्हणजे आजार होणार नाही. म्हणजे मुलांची, तुमची स्वतःची अशा आरोग्याच्या दृष्टीने तुम्ही काळजी घेतली पाहिजे. कमीत कमी आजार कसे होतील ते बघा. मुलांना शिकवा आणि तुमची सगळा परिसर, तुमचं घर, तुमचं स्वतःचं संडास बाथरूम, अंगण हे सगळं साफ ठेवायला शिका. आणि याच्यासोबत जेव्हा तुम्ही सगळ्या गावातल्या बायका हे करायला लागाल तेव्हा तुमचं गाव जसं आता नीटनेटकं दिसतंय तसं कायमचं खूप सुंदर दिसेल. आणि मग तुम्ही, म्हणजे आता तुम्हाला घरं मिळाली पण अजूनही अशी लोक आहेत की जे झोपड्यांमध्येच राहतात. तुमच्याच जमातीतली काही लोक अजूनही झोपड्यांमध्येच राहतात, पण त्यांना निदान कळेल की गाव असावं तर असं असावं. म्हणजे तुमचं गाव सगळ्यात सुंदर झालं पाहिजे असं त्यांचं म्हणणं आहे. आणि त्यासाठी तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी मेहनत घ्यायला पाहिजे. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी श्रम करायला हवे. जसं पोटासाठी हवं म्हणून तुम्ही रानावनात भटकता, दुसऱ्याच्या शेतावर कामाला जाता, तसं स्वतःचं घर आणि स्वतःचं गाव चांगलं राहण्यासाठी हे कष्ट करा आणि जास्त परिश्रम घेऊन स्वतःचं गाव सुंदर ठेवा. म्हणजे दुसऱ्या लोकांनी म्हटलं पाहिजे की तुमचं गाव खूप छान आहे. म्हणजे तुमच्यासारख्याच बायकांनी ज्या अजूनही
give you all my compliments about that. So if you have a sort of subscription to other villages where I can see by myself that the cleanliness is not so good as yours, you should give this subscription and we will give it to those villages. Regarding the, yeah, okay, you can suggest that.
त्यांनी सांगितलंय की मी आतापर्यंत 2-3 वेळा तुमच्या गावात येऊन गेलो. म्हणजे पूर्वीचं नाही, घरं बांधून झाल्यानंतर सुद्धा, पण त्यांना ही जी तुम्ही अंगण एकत्र केलेत आणि सारवून, झाडून, लोटून स्वच्छ
To get a positive response compared to the response we have received from you. You tribal people, you have shown to us so many times that you want to transform your lives into a better direction. It is extremely easy to work with you, to cooperate with you, and I was really scared that when I brought my principle forward that the ownership of the houses should lay with the women, I was really concerned that there should be a lot of protest, a lot of objections from the men. I was afraid that the women should feel afraid, to feel shy, and to withdraw from such a proposal. But you had the right courage, and you have gripped this chance to raise your standard of living, and you have gripped this chance to increase the women's rights. You are a good example for the women of this world.
त्यांनी सांगितलंय की खरं म्हणजे ते बऱ्याच खेडेगावांमध्ये फिरलेले आहेत. म्हणजे भारतामधल्या तुमच्या जसं गावांमध्ये येतात तसे इतरही जी मागासलेली गाव आहेत तिथे ते जाऊन आलेले आहेत. परंतु त्यांना जी भीती होती की त्यांनी एक नियम काढला होता की ही जी घरं बांधून दिली आहेत ती फक्त बायकांच्या नावाने होणार आहे. म्हणजे त्या घराचा मालकी हक्क बायकांकडे राहणार आहे. तेव्हा ते म्हणाले की मला भीती वाटली होती की तुम्हाला तुमच्या पुरुषांना, म्हणजे घरातल्या पुरुषाला किंवा बायकांना आवडेल की नाही. परंतु त्यांना खूप आवडलं की तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी लगेच ते ॲक्सेप्ट ऍक्सेप्ट केलं, लगेच स्वीकारलं. तुमच्या पुरुषांनी लगेच परवानगी दिली की हे बायकांच्या नावाने केलं तरी चालणार आहे. त्यामुळे त्यांना खूप आनंद झाला. त्यामुळे ते म्हणतात की जगामध्ये तुमचं गाव म्हणजे एक उत्कृष्ट गाव आहे, कारण तुम्ही भराभर जे म्हणजे बाहेरच्या चांगल्या म्हणजे सुशिक्षित
some community development committees. So I will ask all you women of Virani to do your best to cooperate with these committee members coming to your village in the future. These committee members, they want also to involve you for the further development of this village, because we have not stopped with the new houses, with the beautiful community.
तर तुम्ही त्यांना चांगलं सहकार्य करा, ज्या कोणी काळजी घेतील त्यांना चांगलं सहकार्य करा असं सांगितलं. सगळे तयार आहात ना? सगळे बाहेरचं ऐकायचं ते एकमेकांचं.
Yeah, okay. It's difficult to leave without saying another compliment, that I'm feeling that the children are clean, very much cleaner compared to children I have seen in other villages. So Virani is a good example for nice attitudes. So please stay on with that. But if you are facing problems, please tell about your problems immediately and arrange your women's committee meetings regularly. I hope that you can arrange 2 meetings a month, and please do not hesitate to come forward with your problems. Because if you do not tell about your problems, we will not be able to help you to solve them. So thanks a lot for your good cooperation. You are the future of India.
आता त्यांनी शेवटचं भाषण केलंय, त्यांचं भाषण संपलं. मी शेवटचं काय ते बोलले ते तुम्हाला सांगते. त्यावेळेला मी बऱ्याच खेड्यांमध्ये फिरलो, तुमच्या म्हणजे आदिवासी भागात फिरलो, पण तुमच्या इथली मुलं जितकी स्वच्छ आणि खूप नीटनेटकी आहेत, चांगले स्वच्छ कपडे घातले, चांगले केस बांधले, पावडर गंध लावून चांगली स्वच्छ येऊन बसलेली आहेत, तर एवढी स्वच्छ मुलं मी कुठेही बघितली नाही. त्यामुळे तुम्ही म्हणजे तुमच्या गावामध्ये अंगण वगैरे सगळं स्वच्छ ठेवलंय, घरं स्वच्छ आहेत, मुलं स्वच्छ आहेत. त्यामुळे त्यांनी तुम्हाला खूप अभिनंदन दिलंय की हे असंच ठेवा, यापुढेही स्वच्छता अशीच पाळा. तुमच्या मुलांची काळजी घ्या, स्वतःची काळजी घ्या आणि स्वच्छता राखा. आणि इथे ज्या पुढे त्या ताया येणार आहेत, ताई दादा कोण येणार आहेत, तर त्यांना तुमचे जे काही अडचणी असतील, काही प्रश्न असतील, तर वेळच्या वेळी सांगा. म्हणजे मग ते तुमचे प्रश्न सोडवतील. तर तुम्ही त्यांना चांगलं सहकार्य करा, तुमच्या दादा ताईंना. हा, सगळ्या तयार आहेत ना? त्यांनी तुम्हाला खूप शुभेच्छा दिल्या, तुम्ही स्वच्छ वगैरे
And Mr. Paulson, I will take the opportunity. Mr. Paulson, please come.
And just another message. In November, in end of November, I will come back and visit Virani. But I will bring my wife with me. She has a special interest in herbal plants. So if you women know about some herbal plants in this district, you should collect. If you give to my wife, she will never forget you. Yeah. And maybe these herbal plants may cure me, because she is saying I'm crazy. So if you have some plants, you can cure craziness.
Okay, Mr. Paulson, just a conclusion.
But it's too dark here.
No, please, here.
No.
Here you will come.
Yeah, but this video scene will not do at all.
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
I will take the opportunity to say the thanks on behalf of this all women of Virani.
Yeah.
As you come here, you gave a new houses, a new community hall, and you gave the compliments. So it is very, very thankful to you, NORAD people also, and the all CFN candidate people. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Santosh. Thanks a lot to all of these women. Thanks a lot to the beautiful workers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But what about the camp? The camp?
We have diesel maintained because there is no electric supply from the government now. But we get within 8 days. They promise us. Within 8 days we get electric supply. And then it will be home irregular. 2 poles. We have to pay 36,000 for the office, electric office. 36,000 for 2 poles. Yeah. Oh. This was their sanction and from here. Yes. I will show you. Please come. Now we are going to that village.
Okay, right now we are in which village?
It is Dharmachivadi, a part of Virani.
And this is the last visit with Mr. Paulson in this in March visit.
Yeah.
So we are with Mr. Paulson for the 2 days, and we have visited to many places. We have discussed on many points. So would you say something?
About the villages to be selected for 2001, he has given clearance for Shene, Kasmar and Dhavra.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So Mr. Apte, will you say something about this 2 days visit?
Yes, I have been moving with Mr. Paulson and Mr. Nene, Chairperson Kasar Raigad unit, visiting various villages in Raigad district. It's a fantastic work that has been done for the year 2000, and I am eagerly looking forward to additional progress in other villages in 2001 in Raigad village. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Mr. Paulson, we are here for the 2 days.
vært i landsbyene Virani. Vi har vært i landsbyene for år 2002. Vi er nå i Dharmachivadi. Ja. Difficult to pronounce. Ja, dette er en landsby som vi nå holder på å rehabilitere for år 2000. Og la oss nå inderlig håpe at det skal gå bra her, som det har gjort i de andre landsbyene. Og jeg er sikker på at herr Nene og alle hans medarbeidere vil sørge for det. Thanks a lot to Mr. Nene and all his friends.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ja, kjære Lions, Nedre Eiker. Nå har vi da kommet til et helsesenter her i byen Puna, hvor vi skal få se deres fadderbarn. Men det startet da helt uventet med, da vi kom inn på denne klinikken, så får vi se da at Abolis mor, hun hadde nettopp falt da hun skulle gå ut av riksjåen hun kom hit. Så nå ligger hun her. Nå kan vi altså da se at legen vår, som har ansvaret for å sjekke helsen til så mange barn, hun forbereder seg nå på å sy det såret som Abolis mor fikk da hun altså helt nylig falt av denne riksjåen og snublet og fikk et sår på haken sin. Ja, nå ser vi altså da hvordan moren til Aboli da får reparert dette såret. Hun må sys litt. Så skal vi da møte Aboli senere.
थोडंसं ना एवढं नका म्हणजे दुकानात नाही
What a routine. This is slaughtered.
माझा हात धरू नका मावशीला तर मला घेता येणार नाही ना चांगले घेतले तुम्ही डाग नाही पडला
Ja, her kan dere se dere på Lions Nedre Eiker altså. Her kan dere altså da se, ja, skjør. Her kan dere se hvordan sosialarbeideren holder henne i hånden. Så dette var jo ganske uventet at moren til Abolis skulle komme ut for dette, men nå får dere se hvordan våre dyktige leger hjelper ikke bare barna, men også familiemedlemmene og er mor. Skjør. So good. Ja. Oh. Ja, she's giving a little.
still more pain if I would have not given her the local
Oh,
anesthesia.
yeah. That's a must. See, if your daughter had treated me when I was 6, I was.
Then you get a permanent scar on the.
Yeah, I hit the car.
The suture material which I'm using is the material which I'm using. This is not linen. This thread which I'm using is not a linen. It's a expensive material. It's a silk-like. Okay.
Silk-like.
Yeah. So it won't leave a scar. So there won't be any scar on the skin. If there is a scar also,
you
it
can
won't
see
be.
my scar.
That's what I'm saying. It won't be. It will be a scar, but it won't be as seen. It will
That's
just
right.
merge with the
Okay.
thing.
Ja,
Merges well with the skin. So.
ja. Lions her sier nå da denne legen vår at arret vil ikke bli synlig fordi man bruker sånn silketråd. Så moren til Aboli, hun er en tapper kvinne, hun. Det er ikke så lenge før hun er frisk, ja.
झालं आता फक्त बॅटरी लावतो. This is the best part of having a doctor on the family. Our children need not worry, the parents, that whether if they go to any other doctor, the doctor first asks for the money. They have to pay the bills and then get the treatment. And here they can freely come get the treatment, go back and This is an emergency.
Ja.
In addition to our program. आता दुखत नाही की नाही? मग कशाला रडताय? घाबरून रडतोय. आता झालं उलट अहो आणि छान होईल. टाका घातलाय ना त्यामुळे असं खून राहणार नाही त्याच्यावर. Cream which I'm putting, so there's no pus found. See, we are using everything aseptic, but the problem is that there might be some chance of any infection. There might be septic pus. Anything she might just go expose.
Yeah, and also the environment she's living in.
Yeah.
May happen.
This box is always autoclave. I've got an infection. There's autoclave, like a pressure cooker.
Yeah.
It's always done in that way.
Is the health doctor?
Yeah, he's attendant in the beginning.
That's good.
आता त्याच्या दिवशी झालं पाहिजे होतं ना. त्यांना घाबरते बिचारे. माझी काय काय नाही नको विनोद रंगी झालं ना रक्त लागला त्याला धुवून टाकते धुवून टाक डेटॉलने वरती डेटॉल टाक रिन्स कर वाळत.
Doctor, just now Aboli's mother came to your dispensary as she got the accident, no? Little accident.
Yeah, she had just had a roadside accident. She just had a roadside accident when she was going on a two-wheeler. She had a fall from the two-wheeler. So accidentally she happened to be near my clinic and we had to take her suturing. The wound was very deep and it was bleeding as you saw. So we had to take around approximately 2 sutures. And the suture material which was used was not a linen material but a catgut material which helps in better healing without leaving any scar mark. We had facial wound on the face, so and being a lady, cosmetically also it looks very bad if we have a scar on the face. So I use a separate material, a different material altogether, which is a little expensive but it does not leave any scar whatsoever later on. We'll be removing the sutures after say 8 to 10 days after the wound is healed. We have used all aseptic precautions
And as Santosh, you have seen that we have also given her all antibiotics treatment.
Yeah.
So after 8 to 10 days, I'll be seeing her again. The sutures were taken with the local anesthetic effects, so that all the pain just subsides temporarily till I take the sutures. So, and if any problem arises, she'll definitely come to me.
And you also give the tetanus injections and
Yeah,
other
I have
precautions.
given injection tetanus, which is definitely required for any wound near the roads, or whenever I'm giving a injection or a suture, any suturing is to be done, because we are introducing a metal inside the body, so I have to, and the wound and the dirt around may cause any tetanus, so injection tetanus has to be given. And of course one more painkiller injection I've given, because when the local anesthetic effect wears off, she should not come to me with a severe pain near the wound. So I've given her injection, a diclofenac injection, which decreases the pain afterwards. The whole day she's been restful.
Okay, thank you Dr. Anita Joshi, as you have taken the right action at the right time. Thank you very much.
Ja, kjære Lions Club Nedre Eiker. Vi har nå kommet til deres fatterbarn i India, Aboli, som står her nå, som var så uheldig at moren hennes ble litt skadet da hun kom hit. Men Aboli er sikret et veldig, veldig godt liv på grunn av støtten fra dere. Denne piken var så lei seg nå selvfølgelig, og her er sosialarbeideren hennes også til stede, og vi er i en helsekontroll, hvor vi har en lege som skal kontrollere helsen hennes i dag. Dette bruker vi blant annet fadderpengene deres til, og sørge for at alle barna får en god helse, at lille Aboli ikke feiler noe, og skulle det skje henne noe, så blir hun alltid ønsket velkommen av legen, og får ordnet med sin helse og får gratis medisiner.
Thank you, Mr. Paulson. And Vidula?
I'm Vidula Purohit, Aboli social worker. I'm working with 100 clients, and Aboli is coming here for medical checkup. And thanks to Lion Nedre Eiker.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vidula.
See her face.
Aboli इकडे बघ ना. अरे वा.
Ja, Lions Nedre Eiker. Nå ser vi altså da Aboli som møter legen sin. Og legen bruker altså da et skjema som hun skriver på her, hvor alle sykdommer som er mulig å få, er satt opp på skjemaet. Og legen undersøker nå hvorvidt det skulle være et eller annet galt med denne piken som kommer fra et slumområde i byen Pune i India, hvor barn lever under helt forferdelige forhold. Ja, doktor? Will you please inform what kind of...
Yeah, she will inform.
Hun sjekker ørene hennes, om hun har en god hygiene. Hun skal lytte på henne, lytte på brystet hennes, på hjertelyden, på lungene.
आणि मला माहिती नाही
नाही
आणि आजारी होती कसं
नाही एवढ्यात का नाही
काहीच. Okay, this is Aboli Kamre, 4 years old. She's around 14 kgs approximately, okay for an Indian average child. I just asked the social worker if there's any family history for COX or anything, bronchial asthma or anything, so that I can check accordingly still in detail. Okay, rest everything, she's a very nice healthy child except for slight amount of wax in her ear which can
Wax in
be,
her?
yeah, I'll be telling the social worker how to take care about it. And we'll be giving the routine medicines. This is the vitamin A tablet we have to give in the Indian children because of vitamin A deficiency seen which causes night blindness eventually. We have introduced this, then the deworming, the anti-helminthic. Any worms every 6 months. This dose has to be given every 6 monthly, and we have our medical checkups every 6 monthly. So we give this. It's a chewable and a sweet tablet, so the children don't feel it's bitter. They don't throw it also. This is the iron tonic, iron supplementation, which also has to be given even in well-to-do families. So the small child coming from a slum areas does require this iron supplementation, which will cause good increase HB level and also further improves her when she's studying or something, better concentration with a good iron supplementation. Then protein supplementation given through biscuits. These biscuits are usually in all the flavors. I prefer this because it's got a chocolate flavored and the children like it. So one just biscuit every day gives good enough amount of proteins. The social workers and this is calcium. This I prefer especially this calcium from this company because it comes in a very attractive pack and the children love it. It is and it has got slightly mango flavored. It is chewable and it's around 250 milligrams which is required for the child. Calcium supplementation for the growing children, so to prevent any osteoporosis changes later on in life. This is a pain balm which is given in Indian people usually like the smell of this. It's got slightly nilgiri like smell, so they like it. So this is given basically for the family more than the children. And Crocin is given as just as a precautionary measure because any children or any elders in the family, if they get fever, they don't have to wait till morning or something to come to the doctor. So we can give this, and I've told them as instructed that below 10 years we can give half a tablet thrice a day, and for elders 1 tablet thrice a day. And it's the most safest analgesic and antibiotic available in India. It won't cause any harm whatsoever. So Crocin used to be given. They know how to handle it also very safely.
Ja, kjære dere alle medlemmer i Lionsklubben på Nedre Eiker. Nå har vi da fått høre fra legene våre alle de ting som denne lille fadderjenta deres da får for pengene som dere sender ned. Dere har sett alle de forskjellige medisinene, og dere forstår at uten dette så hadde det ikke vært mulig å holde lille Aboli med en god helse. Så vi takker dere hjertelig for alt dere gjør. You don't like me. You don't like me. Ja, hei alle dere gale damer i nord. Nå har vi altså da kommet til en som er mye mer populær enn meg, det vet jeg. Og det er jo da Avinash. Avinash, han møtte jeg faktisk tilfeldigvis i en helsekontroll her i dag. Og nå skal vi da overvåke helsekontrollen og se hva legen forteller om Avinash helse. Nå har vi akkurat sett at hun fant for øvrig noen hvite flekker på øyet til Sangita, fadderbarnet til Reindalen skole, som skyldtes C-vitaminmangel, men nå skal vi se denne gutten her. Han er så nydelig at det er ikke noe rart at Janne og Vigdis og alle sammen ble så forelsket i denne skjønne lille gutten. Veldig flott å få hjelpe ham. Ok.
Avinash, file number 16739. I'm Mrs. Sonali Shah, his social worker, working in Rajiv Gandhi Nagar for last 4 years and handling 110 cases from the same area. And now we have come here for the medical checkup. तू काही शूट नहीं करत आहेस? I personally thank you very much to Mrs. Yenne for sponsoring this beautiful child, Avinash.
Thank you.
Ja, Janne, nå ser vi altså at Avinash, han skal jo da veies, og han skal måles. Og sosialarbeideren er jo alltid til stede da, når disse barna skal til helsekontroll. Skal vi høre hva Sonali sier om vekten. Så, Sonali, what about weight? Height?
Avinash weighs 14 kgs and approximately his height is 2.5 feet.
काल खेळलास? रंग खेळलास? Verbo.
You are using the high 8 cassette. This should be only used for Reindalen. Ja, nå ser vi, Janne, hvordan legen vår undersøker denne skjønne lille gutten din da. Gubben din er vel sjalu på grunn av denne lille vakre skapningen her nede i India. Så skal vi høre, her lyttes det på hjertelyd og lunger og
Han har en hoste. Nå skal vi høre hva legen mener om den hosten.
आईला सांगशील घरी जाऊन नको कापायला? This is Avinash Chaudhary, 5 years old with 14 kgs and 2.5 feet. Last 15 days back, before the sponsorship started, I had done his medical examination just to know how the social worker wanted to know how exactly his health status is. We had given him the medicine. Generally now, after he's come into some family, his health is definitely improved nutritionally and he's got that healthy look now on his face. Apart from just dirty nails which he's got yesterday because of
it happens to me too.
because of Holi. Yesterday there was Holi, they had played, so because of that they have become dirty. Okay, just one common problem always which he gets recurrently is his common cold.
Common cold.
He gets running nose.
Running nose.
That's because he doesn't understand. He always is playing in the waters. Whenever the social worker also told me, his mother is telling me that he's always been playing in water. That's it. Rest, he's perfectly healthy. No illness whatsoever.
Good. But a little bit malnourished?
I don't think so. He's malnourished now. When 1 to 2 months back when I'd seen, I definitely said that he was looking malnourished. Not now, I don't think
Now
so.
he's improved a lot.
Yeah, he's definitely improved. And now we are giving him all the necessary medications and nutritional values, proteins, irons, then this antihelminthics and calcium. So I think he should improve with that. And he's going to the kitchens also. The social worker is making sure that he goes to the kitchen.
Go to the kitchen regularly every day.
It
will improve his health a lot.
He also gets
But,
the additional nutrition support
Additional
for
support.
malnourished.
That's right, for malnourished kids in the same place where he's staying.
Yes.
Yeah, in the same house. Because she is running that center. I always thought that Dr. Joshi had the most beautiful eyes in the world, but now when I see him, I'm not sure any longer.
He's a very sweet child. Basically, he's a very sweet child.
Very
I
sweet
remember
child.
many days back when I checked him, he just come here. He was sitting with me and he was talking to me. So I just offered him one of the biscuits from here. He started eating. He was so hungry that time. He started eating 1, 2, 3, 4 biscuits. He was really
He did?
Now it's totally changed. Now he's a very satisfied child. I feel.
He's satisfied
Yes.
because of the daily nutrition
Yeah,
and the
basically-
care and the love he gets in the
Basically, we
foster
have given
home.
a family to him, which is more than
Given a family to him.
what is required for a growing child of this
Good.
age.
Good. Very nice to hear. It's fantastic. Yeah. What would have been the fate of this child if we had not taken care of him? Miserable. So miserable. So this is a life-saving case. I would say so. It's fantastic. So now I understand why all these poor girls came home to Norway and only thought about this boy. They had forgotten their husbands and their sons and only talking about Avinash. All of them talking about Avinash.
Okay, and what you are given the prisoner? Given some medicines to
See, I generally give this anti-helminthic deworming tablet every 6 monthly. This works hand in hand. The iron and the anti-helminthic works hand in hand because if the child gets worms, the iron level, the HB level comes down. And automatically the child becomes anemic. So you give this, the worms are stopped, and you give iron supplements, so the HB goes on increasing. Especially good for the small children who are growing up, their brains are growing, they basically their intelligence level is growing from 3 years to say 6 to 8 years. So when you give maximum amount of this, it's very good. The children basically start looking that healthy look comes on their face whenever they have this enough amount of iron. Calcium is given to all the growing children till 15 years of age, because 15 years is the time when the bones stop developing.
That's right. Do they take one tablet daily?
One tablet daily, for 1 month, and then again we repeat it. So
And then they repeat
and
it?
the last medicals we have given vitamin D3. So vitamin D3 helps an absorption of calcium, and now
Absorption of
I'm
the
giving
calcium.
calcium supplements. So
The D3 helps for the absorption of
yes,
the
yes.
calcium.
So more and more calcium is taken by the
Good.
growing children.
Good.
This is a cough syrup. Generally, I give only for children who have got cough or any tonsils or increase or something.
Avinash
So
has.
I give this, and this is also a very safe one.
सबके लिए
So, and this is a protein supplementation. Say approximately 1 to 2 biscuits a day is good enough for the child. It's chocolate flavored. The child really enjoys eating it. So there's no problem about the child throwing it because it's a medicine or something. No, they really enjoy it. I don't tell them it's a medicine. I tell them it's just a biscuit which they have to take every day during breakfast time. This is the Crocin tablet. Crocin is known as actually everywhere as paracetamol for your benefit, of course. So can be taken if there is fever more than 100 degrees. I've told them very high grade fever, then only they should take half tablet 3 times a day. For below 10 years and above 10 years, just take 1 tablet 3 times a day.
Okay.
And then the next day they have to come to see the doctor. But
this is an emergency.
This is emergency because everybody gets scared whenever you have high grade fever in the house. So I give this. This is Amrutanjan Balm.
Good.
Social worker likes to give them to everyone.
Der hører vi altså, Janne, alt det som Avinash får på grunn av faderstøtten fra deg. Så denne gutten blir det veldig spennende å følge fremover i tid. Vi håper det aller beste. Jeg tror det kommer til å gå kjempebra, og han jo et godt hjem. This foster mother...
इकडे बघ ना.
अच्छा बाय बाय कर ना टाटा हात हलव असा
Så rusler Avinash av gårde da, denne nydelige gutten med de vakre øynene. Ja. Og legen sier jo at han har blitt så mye bedre. Fått en mye bedre helse i det siste. Kjempefint. Ja, det litt ahead.
Okay, so these are independent commodities.
Ja, kjære Lions Club Greåker, vi har nå kommet til vårt hjelpearbeid her nede i slummen i Puna. Her møter vi 2000 barn som får en fantastisk forbedring av sin hverdag, som bor i noen av verdens verste slumstrøk. Og et av de barna som får en slik hjelp, det fadderbarnet deres, fadderbarnet til Lions Greåker, som altså da Supriya, med referansenummer 16523. Denne piken, hun får da all hjelp fra dere, både innenfor helsekontroll, all utdanningsstøtte, inkludert alt det hun trenger av skoleklær, og ellers det hun trenger av rekvisita for skolen sin, skolepenger og så videre. Hun får daglig mat i våre matkjøkken, og nå har vi kommet til en helsekontroll, hvor vi har en av våre 8 leger som skal sjekke helsen til fadderbarnet deres, Supriya, og la oss nå se hvordan dette går. Men alltid skal det være til stede en sosialarbeider, og her sosialarbeideren kommet, som står ved siden av meg. La oss nå høre hva hun har å si. Ok.
Hello, I'm Manali Christie, Supriya's social worker. I'm responsible for 110 children. I'm working in Rajiv Gandhi Nagar area. I'm thankful to you for sponsoring Supriya. So thank you very much, Lions Cricket.
Thank you very much.
Supriya's file number is 16523.
मलाई या काही चालेल.
एक चहा आणि ब्लॅक कॉफी.
Startet? Ja, Lions Club Greåker. Her ser vi altså nå sosialarbeideren som til stede og registrerer vekten og høyden til Supriya. Close up of the face. Supriya, इकडे काय? Det en nydelig liten jente dette her, som hadde gått ut i analfabetisme, helt klart. Hadde det ikke vært for støtten fra Lions Club på Greåker. Den kjolen hun har på seg, den har hun fått for pengene fra dere. Vi gir de 2 festivalkjoler hvert eneste år, pluss alt skoleutstyr og skoleuniformer og skoleransel og så videre. Men det skal dere få se på senere. Ja, nå ser vi altså legen har begynt å sjekke helsen til Supriya. Legen stiller henne spørsmål om hvordan hun føler seg, begynner å lyse inn i øret hennes, ser om hun feiler noe spesielt, ser om hun har voks i øret, sjekker hygienen hennes, ber henne åpne munnen sin for å se på mandlene.
Denne piken, hun hadde jo da et stygt uhell. Hun falt, og fortennene hennes gikk tvers gjennom underleppen. Hun ble brakt til sykehus for pengene fra oss. Brakt til sykehus og ble da operert, og er nå helt fin igjen. Nå ser vi da hvordan legen skal lytte på henne, lytte på brystet hennes, lytte på hjertelyden, lytte på lungene, og spør denne piken hvordan hun føler seg. Og her har vi da et skjema som legen bruker, som hun skriver de forskjellige sykdommene på. Når det står NAD, NAD, så betyr det altså at ingen problemer er funnet. Og dette er et standard skjema som vi bruker for alle de 3500 fadderbarna våre.
Kore, age 10 years with height 4.2 inches and 19.5 kgs.
It's okay?
No, it's quite less. Evidently, I don't have to see the weight, but you can see also she's quite thin.
Yeah, she's thin.
So she, and all the more last 2 to 3 days, that's why I was asking her. She complains of vomiting. She's vomiting since last 2 to 3 days. The reason is nothing organic. I mean nothing in the body. But she had gone to for a wedding 3 days back. So it could be indigestion and a little bit of change of water and the food, which is causing. I'm giving her some tablets also to be taken, and I've told her to come after 2 to 3 days. Supriya had come 4 months back in our clinic with some boil and one big thing. So we have done her suturing here on the. It's been removed and it was done under general anesthesia. Now you can obviously not see any signs of it.
So successful.
Yes. Dr. Abhijit Joshi. He's my husband also and the doctor for the panel of orthopedic doctor, but he's basically a surgeon, so you can see the skillful, it's done very skillfully, so you cannot see any signs. After that she never had any complaints. Just now Manali Kisti was telling me the same thing, that after that she never had any complaints about her lips or anything. Rest she does not have cough, cold or anything, but I'm just worried about her weight, which is very less. Manali has told me that she'll be looking after her weight and food, any changes if any changes are required. I'm giving her antacids and just plain antacids. Maybe if indigestion is there, it should be cured. And I've told her to come to me after 3 days to check how she's feeling. I've told her to take lots of water, basically because of summer season in India. Just now she'll go into dehydration and vomiting continues in the same manner. And she's told me she'll be coming after 2 days to see me. She'll be coming after 2 days.
Okay.
And we are going to give which medicines, which tablets?
The routine medicines are given just now. The deworming. She's 10 years old, so she's been coming to me very regularly, and I know her case. So the albendazole, this is basically, I give this, prefer this antihelminthic to any other, because the antihelminthic dose is required just once in 6 months. The rest, all the other dewormings have to be given 3 successive nights. These are chewable tablets, so once they take in front of me, I'm sure that the dose is gone. Vitamin A is given, vitamin A tablet is given, prophylaxis for night blindness in India, which is a very common, vitamin A deficiency is very common in India, so I give this vitamin A. These 2 are chewable tablets. I prefer chewable because I see that they are taken in front of me. I don't have to worry whether they are going waste or anything like that. Iron tonic is given along with these, and calcium. Everything works hand in hand for the child. Protein biscuits are given. Previously we used to give protein powder, now we are shifted to protein biscuits because the child loves the chocolate flavor. So just one biscuits to 2 biscuits a day gives him enough supplementation. Rest, nothing I've told her.
Ja, der hører dere altså på Lionsklubben på Greåker hvordan legen har forklart om de forskjellige medisinene og hvilken effekt det har på kroppen til disse barna. Dette her er jo da en pike som dere ser er så skjønn som en indisk prinsesse. Maken til skjønne øyne, det skal man holde et herlig smil. Det kommer jo av at hun er under full kontroll, under trygg kontroll. Hun vet at hun har omsorg fra sosialarbeidere og fra leger, og er trygghet for skoledagen sin. Så hjertelig takk skal dere ha, dere i Lions-klubben på Greåker, for den hjelpen dere gir.
टाटा केलं तर चांगलं होईल. बाय.
Ja, kjære Lions-klubb samt Halvard der hjemme i Norge i Oslo. Jeg har nå kommet til vårt hjelpeprosjekt i byen Pune i India, hvor vi har 2000 barn som vi har ansvaret for daglig. Disse barna ville alle sammen gått ut i analfabetisme, men på grunn av støtten blant annet fra dere til denne gutten Mahesh, referansenummer 16537, så har vi sørget for at alle disse 2000 barna får et helt annet og mye bedre liv. Nå skal Mahesh til helsekontroll i dag, og vi har vår sosialarbeider som står ved siden av, som skal gi litt informasjon til dere, og vi skal på hjemmebesøk. Denne helsekontrollen sørger for å sikre helsen med gratis medisiner, og dette med skoleutstyr og skoleveiledning, skoleuniformer, skoleransel, all rekvisita, det sørger for å gjennomføre skolegangen, i tillegg til at han går i våre undervisningsklasser om kvelden. Dette er en gutt som vi nå skal møte igjen, både hjemme hos ham og i matkjøkkenet blant annet. Hjertelig takk til dere, Lions, Oslo, St. Halvard, for den verdifulle støtten dere gir til denne gutten Mahesh i India.
Hello, myself is Maya Kakde. I'm the social worker of Mahesh Mosque. I'm working in Rajiv Gandhi Nagar area. I'm handling around 110 cases, and he's a Mahesh Mosque.
His case number?
His case number is 6,537, and we are very thankful to you for your timely help.
To Lions, Saint?
To Lions, Saint, Oslo,
Halvard. Thank you very much, Maya Kakde. Thank you. Thank you. Mahesh, Hasna.
24.
24 kilogram. And his height is?
His height is 4.5.
4 feet.
4.4.
4.4. 4 feet 4 inches.
4 inches.
Ja, her så vi altså at sosialarbeideren til Mahesh målte og veiet ham, og nå skal vi høre hva legen mener om dette. Ja, kjære Lions St. Halvard, nå ser dere da hvordan legen har startet undersøkelsen da, av Mahesh sin helse. Han har bundet opp håret sitt, som dere ser, så han ligner kanskje litt på en pike der han sitter, men det er jo i hvert fall Mahesh, en indisk liten gutt, som er fjernadoptert av dere i Lions Klubb St. Halvard. Nå lyttes det på ham, på hjertelyd. Og dere ser hvordan lege og Mahesh snakker med hverandre.
जरा मागे जा ना मध्ये जा दोघांच्या
Skal vi høre etterpå? Skal vi høre da om det er funnet noen spesielle problemer?
आणि बघायला कोणी नसतं ना फिटाली की त्यामध्ये चुलीत पडलं.
अरे ना ते सांग हा तू सांगतो मला नाही ना मला सांग.
Ja, her ser vi altså hvordan legen bruker et standardskjema for å sjekke og registrere helsen til barna. Her er alle typer sykdommer oppført, og her skal legen gå gjennom dette skjemaet. Hver eneste sykdom skal sjekkes ut, og her skriver hun heldigvis NAD. Det betyr altså at ingen problemer er funnet. Og dere Lions Club St. Halvard, dere sørger da for, som dere nå ser,
at noe av pengene dere gir til fadderstøtte for Mahesh, går til å sikre hans gode helse. Nå skal vi høre på legen hva hun sier.
Yes, doctor. This is Mahesh Maske. Just now at the medical checkup, I have not found anything significant. He is definitely healthy, weight and height is showing, and the age tallies with everything. Only thing which is just now bothering is his mother is a known case of epilepsy. So she has come to me. I know about the family a little bit. So the family history is definitely significant. Every medical checkup we have to ask the child about the past 6 months, how they were, any problem or something, and give him all the signs which to say if he ever gets an epileptic attack, what he's supposed to do, because epilepsy does run in the family. So it is got 50% chances. Either his sister or he gets it, or maybe his sister might get it after the pregnancy or something. So it's better to know and tell them about the same. Rest, everything is okay. Only thing about his family history, as Maya is telling me that the mother is epileptic, her father is deaf and dumb. So maybe that works a little bit on his mind, but rest on his own, he is a very healthy child. I don't have anything.
Ja, der hørte vi dere på Lions Club altså i St. Halvard, at legen vår konkluderer med at han er en frisk gutt som har helsen i orden, men faren er døvstum og moren er epileptisk, og dette betyr jo at det er problemer i familien, absolutt problemer i familien. Some problems with alcoholism in the family? No, good. Heldigvis ikke noe alkoholisme blant far eller andre i familien, og det er da veldig, veldig godt. Så takk skal dere ha, dere på Lions Greåker for St. Halvard, som gjør så mye godt for denne gutten. Ja, and the medicines?
And what about the medicines? Are you going to give some
Yeah,
medicines?
the routine medicines will be given to him. The deworming will be given, iron supplementation, calcium will be given, and of course the vitamin A tablet, which is routinely given in the medicines, will be given for this child also. So we are, just now it's 9 years, so we are bothered till the child becomes 12 years. So all the supplementation has to be given properly till 12 years, because after 12 years we consider him as an adult.
Thank you, Dr. Anita Joshi. Thank you. Bye, Mahesh.
Shooting in the homes. Okay.
हाँ? एक मिनिट हा मी जरा पुढे करून ठेवतो कॅमेरा.
Ja, kjære dere Lions Club på Hauketo, Oslo. Jeg har nå kommet til et hjelpeprosjekt som Fadderbarnas Framtid har i slummen i byen Pune i India, hvor vi har til sammen 2000 fadderbarn. Alle disse barna ville vært dømt til et liv i analfabetisme og sosial undertrykkelse. De er blant vår jords aller fattige. Men grunnet den støtten som vi har fra våre 2000 norske faddere for disse barna i Pune, så har vi sikret de en bra grunnutdanning. De får alt de trenger av skoleuniformer, skoleransler, rekvisita. De får gå i matkjøkkenet hver dag. De får møte legene våre. Nå har vi møtt et av fadderbarna her som er støttet av dere, Lions Hauketo. Det er altså da Jyoti med referansenummer 16715 som har kommet til legen med sin sosialarbeider. Og så skal vi da få høre litt om hvordan helsekontrollen foregår for disse barna. Her har vi da en sosialarbeider som er med oss, som har ansvaret for 100 barn, som også vi skal få noen få ord fra. Så hjertelig takk til dere på Lions Oslo Hauketo for at dere er med på å gi denne nydelige jenta et mye, mye bedre liv.
I'm Mrs. Anjali Fadnis. I'm Mrs. Anjali Fadnis, social worker working in the field of Rajiv Gandhi Nagar, and I'm looking after staggered cases as well. Jyoti is one of the sponsored child in Rajiv Gandhi Nagar. We thank you for helping Jyoti. Thank you. We cancel the I am Mrs. Anjali Fadnis, social worker working in the field of Rajiv Gandhi Nagar. I am looking after 99 cases. Some of them are scattered cases and some of them are from Rajiv Gandhi. Jyoti is one of my cases. Her file number is 16715. We thank you for helping Jyoti and her family. The family is also thank you to you. Once again, I thank you also. Okay.
Lions Oslo Hakkad.
Lions.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Ja, Lions, her ser dere altså at sosialarbeideren har jo ansvaret for å kontrollere høyde og vekt. What about height and weight?
What about height and weight?
Her height is 3 feet 11 inches and weight is 18 kilos. 18
Ja, der hørte dere altså. Hun veier 18 kilo. Nå skal vi høre hva legen mener om den vekten.
He attends our community kitchen regularly.
Ja, sosialarbeider, hun går i matkjøkkenet vårt hver eneste dag. Og det er det som er grunnen til at helsen hennes har bedret seg så godt. Ja, så har kontrollen begynt da. Vi ser dere på Lions Club St. Halvard. Dere ser nå helsekontrollen av denne skjønne lille fadderjenta deres. Vi har 8 leger som sjekker helsen til barna regelmessig. Her skal det ses om det er riktig hygienisk standard i familien, om de vasker seg skikkelig, om de renser neglene, om de har voks i ørene. Og det skal lyttes på de. Dette her er jo da barn som bor i slumområder med alvorlige helseproblemer, som det er rundt i slike områder. Så de kan jo da pådra seg ganske alvorlige sykdommer. Det lyttes på hjertelyd, det skal lyttes på lunger. Og legen snakker med barna, ser dere.
This is Jyoti Sonavani, age 8 years. She's a newly sponsored child. Just now in the medical checkup, I just feel bothered about her teeth decay, which she's got just lower 2 sets of teeth are decayed. Because she's 8 years old now, there's no chance of any milk teeth to fall and a new good teeth to come. So definitely she has to see a dentist for it, which I'll be telling Anjali Fadnis about it. Rest nothing, weight-wise she is less. For 8 years, she's just 18 kgs. Definitely it is less. But through the nutritional centers and the additional whatever nutrition which we will be giving to the medicines also, we'll see how it works for we'll just keep a follow-up in the next coming 6 months. If there's
Der hører vi altså legen fortelle at hun synes at 18 kilo er litt for lite, noe undervektig, og problemer med tennene sine. Ganske store problemer, og nå har legen gitt beskjed til sosialarbeideren om at denne piken må tas til en tannlege. Okay.
Rest hygienically she's neat, clean also. Don't have to bother about it. Only teeth, the dentist will, I'll be telling her, but dentist will also be telling her how to take care of her teeth after the decayed teeth removed. Rest, the iron, deworming, the calcium supplementation, and vitamin A will be given routinely to her. And we'll see. We'll talk to the social worker and see how the next 6 months work to see if there's any weight gain, and definitely through the weight chart we can make out if there's any weight gain and any improvement in her nutritional status also. Okay, thank you.
Ja, der hørte vi hva legen sa, at hun vil nå sjekke opp utviklingen til denne piken, til Jyoti, og se om det om en stund er en bedring i helsesituasjonen. Og så får vi se da om besøk hos tannlegen vil gi resultater på sikt. Så dere da på Lions Club Hauke 2, som er fadder for denne skjønne piken, vi takker dere hjertelig for at dere nå har sørget for at dere er penger til gjennomføring av denne helsekontrollen. Altså, Jyoti, 16715, Lions Club Oslo Hauke 2. Og denne sosialarbeideren som har fått beskjed om å ta henne til en tannlege, nå gjør det ganske snart. Og så får vi da se hvilke problemer hun måtte ha med sine tenner. Vi skal besøke henne hjemme, og da vil dere også få se hvordan omgivelsene er der hvor hun bor. Mange takk for støtten til Jyoti.
पूर्ण खा सगळं खा
Ja, her så dere altså da at Jyoti fikk en kjeks som er da masse vitaminer i.
som er så viktig for at Jyotis helse skal utvikle seg. Ja. Så, you like the biscuit? Okay. Yeah, nice.